This week we opened the chest. हमने देखा ब्रह्मास्त्र की वो तबाही, the weapon that could turn sand into glass. Then we explored the Russian sleep experiment, the man who defied biology by staying awake for 11 days. सोचो जरा, how much of our history is hidden in the shadows? But you only saw the surface. असली खेल तो अब शुरू होगा. Today we go deeper into the vault. What we found in the archives of lost civilizations changes everything. तैयार हो? Because the truth is stranger than fiction. The ancient war and the hidden vault. एक ऐसी जंग जो इतिहास ने भुला दी. Until now.
Mainstream history says nuclear technology is only 80 years old, but look at Mohenjo-daro. In the streets of this ancient city, skeletons were found, not in graves, but lying flat on the ground, एक साथ, हाथ पकड़े हुए, as if they were vaporized in a single second. क्या ये सिर्फ एक इत्तेफाक है? Now travel to Rajasthan, a site so radioactive that the government had to cordon it off. The radiation levels are still 10 times higher than the surrounding area. Vitrified ruins, पत्थर का कांच बन जाना. This only happens at temperatures exceeding 2000 degrees Celsius. आखिर वहां हुआ क्या था? Ancient texts talk about the Agneya Astra, a weapon that released the light of 1,000 suns. When scientists tested the soil, they found isotopes that only occur during a nuclear fission. History की किताबों को फिर से लिखना पड़ेगा. This wasn't a myth, it was a massacre. If there was a war, there had to be machines. The Vimanika Shastra describes the Mercury Vortex engine. सुनने में साइंस फिक्शन लगता है ना? But in 2026, scientists are realizing that mercury plasma can actually create anti-gravity. वही तकनीक जो हजारों साल पहले लिखी गई थी. Were we reading a prayer book or a flight manual? सोचो जरा. If the ancients had mercury plasma tech, they didn't need fuel. They were masters of the skies. Modern stealth bombers use similar geometry to the ancient Shakuna Vimana. Is it a coincidence or a copy? The truth isn't just in books. It's in the soil, the radiation, and the forgotten blueprints. The golden chest is now permanently open, but the deeper we go, the darker it gets. Ancient man wasn't primitive. He was highly advanced and perhaps more dangerous than us. Nuclear weapons weren't the only modern tech. Look at the temple of Hathor in Dandara. ये carvings देखो. They look like massive light bulbs, complete with filaments and power cables. Mainstream history कहता है these are lotus flowers, but lotus flowers don't need insulators. Baghdad battery को कैसे भुला दे? Clay jars that could generate electricity 2000 years ago. Was the ancient world powered? सोचो जरा. If they had light, what else were they hiding in the dark? Here there's the Piri Reis map of 1513. It shows the coastline of Antarctica without ice. वो coastline जो 6000 साल से बर्फ के नीचे दबी हुई है. How did a medieval map maker know the subglacial geography? जवाब सिर्फ एक है, एरियल सर्वेइंग। हजारों साल पहले ऊपर से कोई देख रहा था। The Orion correlation theory says the pyramids align perfectly with the stars as they were in 10,500 BC. वक्त का ये खेल हमारी समझ से बाहर है। In 1901, divers found a rusted lump of bronze in a shipwreck. इसे Antikythera mechanism कहते हैं. It's an analog computer that could predict eclipses and planetary positions with 100% accuracy. लेकिन प्रॉब्लम ये है, technology like this shouldn't have existed for another 1500 years. It's like finding a smartphone in a Victorian tomb. ये किसने बनाया? And more importantly, किसके लिए? The hidden vault has the blueprints for devices that would make our modern AI look like a toy.
The truth is, we are a species with amnesia. हमने अपना इतिहास भुला दिया है. The ancient war wasn't fought with sticks and stones, but with plasma and logic. The hidden vault is a warning. क्या हम दोबारा वही गलती करेंगे? Subscribe if you want to see the contents of the final chamber, क्योंकि अभी तो सिर्फ पर्दा उठा है. अगली बार मिलते हैं in the shadows of history. अलविदा. Tales of the Vault. Question everything.
If you're ready to question the timeline we were taught in school, hit that subscribe button right now. क्योंकि कहानी अभी खत्म नहीं हुई. This was just the beginning of the vault's secrets. Stay tuned for the next revelation. Next week, we'll look at an animal that science says shouldn't exist. A creature that lives in the shadows of the vault itself. Don't miss it. अगली बार मिलते हैं. Question the timeline. Seek the truth. Stay mysterious.